All right. Oh man, this is gonna be a rough day, chat. Morning disgruntled. Morning Ibra. I got 3 hours of sleep last night. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I drank caffeine too late yesterday, which I don't think I did. I took like my ADHD medication like 2 hours late, but I was like wide awake until like 3:30 a.m. So we're going on like 3 hours and 20 minutes of sleep right now. I'm gonna sleep like a freaking baby tonight. I went to bed an hour ago. Oof. Yeah, super tired. Although, like, I feel physically tired, but like my energy levels are high, which is interesting. All right. So, so much so that I'm drinking an energy drink, which is very out of character for me. All right. We need to get open Keycaster. That logs over there. Do, 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 do. Do you drink caffeine right after waking up? Yeah. I normally wake up, I come downstairs, I make coffee, uh, and then I sit down and I start streaming when my coffee's ready. That's my morning. All right, are we running here? Let's get this. Caffeine addiction? Yeah, no, I definitely have a caffeine addiction. 100%. I've been drinking coffee since I've been drinking coffee every day since I was like 16. All right. I don't remember where we left off here. I remember we had this like running. Bun run dev. Whoops. We had created an account. We might still be logged in too. And that's totally fine, or is it? There's definitely worse addictions to have. What comes to your mind? Alcoholism, gambling, opiates, cocaine, you know, typical, just run of the mill things you get into every day. All right, let's see here. Localhost. Yeah, that's right. This does look so good. I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. No, I never did get the animation working, but I also don't think it needs animation right now. I'll probably come back through. I want to get. I really would love to get like Coppinger to come in and do a pass over this and do some UX. I haven't seen Capo in forever. Sharks off the coast of Brazil have tested positive for cocaine. It checks out. All right, what do we need to do next? We need to. I want to drive this via Stripe. Let me see if I can open up the Stripe test account. And turn on test mode. Can I give this a description? I can. All right, so I can move this over here. The test account is fine to show. Let me get chat back up. From outline 100% to outline 0% and outline. We'll try it. Let me see if I can get V0 to generate that. Create this animation around each payment option. And we'll give it our code. It's a trick. Well, good thing that code goes right to my employer, so. Is it odd that caffeine puts me to bed? I don't think so. I have not so much the current ADHD medication I'm on, but my normal one. What the hell is this? CSS. I sleep better on ADHD medication than I do without it. The heck? This break? There we go. My mouse scroll is being wonky. I don't think it did. Oh yeah, I forgot Svelte has its own like animation library. Uh, Let me just drop this in and see if it worked. YOLO. Very good. Expected 2 arguments, but got 1. Shit. Okay, I have to go call my mom real quick. I will be right back.
functions describe the world.
Okay, we're back. How many offices do you have? I have one, but once I got off the phone, I got a work DM that was pushed as urgent, so I got a notification for it, and we had our domain renewal. Read your message early. Can you just try adding transition outline to the base element? Yeah. All right, let's go back here, and then down here, that's gonna be on the radio payment option, I guess. And here, you're suggesting we put, uh, is it on the label? Yeah, it is. Transition outline. Like that. Whoops. All right, let's check that. What about your other office behind the secret door? The the thinking office? I guess you could call that my second office. The porcelain throne office. Let's see here. Why do I never stream from the second office? You know, maybe we should start. It does something now. It does like that pulse. You made the Twitters angry again? What'd you do, bad cop? All right, let's look at this tweet. Do the JavaScript makes no sense. People have any examples other than 2 plus string 2? You're not wrong, though. It's a good tweet. Pointers were never meant to float. That's a good tweet, too. Okay. Let's start driving this from Stripe's product catalog. So I just want to get this done before I worry about animations. We'll do a polish UI pass once we get through our linear tickets. Product catalog. So let's come in here and we're gonna edit this one because we're actually gonna use this one. And what the fuck? I don't trust that. All right, I'm just gonna do this off screen quick. I don't really want to have open group. They're both that flexible payments. Let's add this flexible payments. Payments. Unit label. Describe how you sell your product. Appears on each line item. We'll just say this is monthly. Yeah, I guess. Group coaching, flexible payments, statement descriptor. We could add a meta interval monthly. Update product. And then let's add another one. I can move that over now. I've been writing Rust and I'm not great at it still. I refuse to learn about lifetimes. I watched a really good video I can send you on thinking about lifetimes as regions of memory rather than like regions of code, and it made things a lot easier to reason about. So can I duplicate this? I guess create product. I wonder if this has to be group coaching. And this will be, what did we call this before? It was save. And we'll say billing period will be yearly. More options. This will be annually. And I think we added metadata, interval, annual. And the price here will be 10,000. I don't know what we do about that. Yeah, let me see if I can go find that YouTube video because it was really good. I know I sent it to somebody in Discord, so let me check that. Of course, I can't search that. Dude, I feel like my mouse is scrolling in the opposite direction right now. Yeah, it was. It was scrolling the opposite direction. That's really annoying. Okay, I sent that to... Where is Dr. Love Wizard? Here we go. Here, we'll just put this up on the side while I work on this product catalog because this is such a good video. I want to open this in R10 and then we'll split this beside the catalog and we'll pause the music. This video is very good, chat. Should probably upgrade there. This is a really nice experience here. Unit label. Active default price. Sorry. Here's the link if anyone wants it. I'm gonna work on my other screen for a minute. It's probably the same animation thing that um uh was it three blue, two brown or whatever? Oh, I wasn't paying attention. This mental model makes so much more sense for me to easily think about lifetimes. The regions of code. Out of sight, out of mind. Scope is mouthwash, drinking scope shortens lifetimes. He never made the second video, which is so sad. I did. I reached out to the person on Twitter, and might have written something, maybe not. But I thought that was really good. I'm gonna open this back over here quick and make sure. All right, we upgraded there. We have that environment variable. Hold on, I'm gonna have to turn down the volume again from the screen, something like this. Something like, how's the music volume? All right, let's see if we can get these driven by Stripe now. I'm gonna have to add Stripe to my environment variable, so hodl chat. Doppler. Can I copy secrets as env? I can. Come over here, go to our mvar_c. And we're just gonna go ahead and throw that in and delete down to Stripe. Delete those, delete that, throw the export keyword, export, white quit all, dir env allow. All right. Yeah, no problem, guys. I really like that mental model. It makes I feel like for me that made thinking about left. Okay, Winnie, knock it off, dude. The dogs bark so much when Justin's not here. Drives me bonkers. Chat, bonkers. All right, let's get out of Doppler. Let's come over here. Let's install Stripe if we already didn't do it. So I want to drive this via Stripe. So that's what we want to do next. We're going to have to do some DB migrations probably. Right. Thanks, backup. Vim. And we want to go to... Did we install Stripe? I'm not even sure. Package JSON, Stripe. No, we didn't. All right, let's install Stripe. Bun add, is it just Stripe? I'm assuming. I should probably look up the guide for Stripe JS SDK. Yo, why is this not in dark mode? What do they think I am, a monster? Stripe save. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Where's the getting started? I just need to know how to instantiate this thing. Okay. So let's go make a... Wonder if we should put this... No, we'll just do it this way. Actually, yeah, we will put this in a package. So we're gonna come in here and we'll yoink the DB and we'll do billing. And we'll go in here, we'll change, don't need that. Don't need drizzle. Come in here. We'll fix that in a second. This will be billing. Scripts won't have any of these. Nope, 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 nope. This will have stripe. And we can grab that from our front dependency. So let's go ahead and do a split. Go into oil, up, apps, front. Put that over here. And then we can delete you. Come up here, yoink you. This will be billing. Billing. And this is going to export source. And we'll just do this. And in here, don't need any of this. We should upgrade TypeScript though at some point. Oh no, bad cop strikes again. Looks like a Christmas tree though. I have a technical interview in a few. Wish me luck. I will impress them with my NeoVim config. Good luck, meow. This is billing dot slash. This should be dot slash source. Right? Yeah. All right, so then we can come in here. We can get rid of scripts. We can get rid of drizzle. Whatever, that's fine. TS config is fine. Source, get rid of that. We'll come in here and we'll just make a index, I guess, or stripe, I don't know. TS. And this will be import stripe from stripe. Great, and then we'll say let's see here. I want to close this side over here. We'll say make stripe client. And then we'll say const client. Export const client is going to equal here, we'll do this too. We'll say const stripe API key will equal process.env dot stripe API key, and then we'll bring in invariant, or I guess we'll just do if stripe API key is equal to undefined. We'll just throw an error and say stripe API key was not found in the environment. And down here we can do make stripe client, and this gets our stripe API key. Oh. And what, that gets our API key? Yeah. All right, we can do it that way. Can you have my Stripe API? No. Yeah, I almost always use specific errors, but like when it's like bootstrapping, I don't care so much because like I just want it to fail fast. Like this is gonna get evaluated at basically startup time, and it will basically prevent the process from booting. So I'm okay with this. I really would rather move this to using like effects config stuff, but this will be fine for now. I mean, we could do like... Guys, knock it off. Chat, should I leak DM? I forgot you had my Anthropic key. You could have been using that this whole time and I don't think I would have ever caught it. That's a lie. I use YNAB and budget pretty strictly. I would have caught it, but if you kept it below any outlandish usage, I might have not noticed. All right, for now, this is fine. So let's go back to front. Oh, good morning, Bodhi. I know. You're a big, handsome man.
What is this?
I needed caffeine quick, and my coffee mug wasn't charged. I got 3 hours of sleep. Give me a break.
Interesting. I just came to say good morning.
Morning.
Let's go get breakfast. I'm guessing they haven't eaten?
No.
Based on the way
Bodhi's acting?
Bodhi is.
Yeah. Homie has not eaten.
Hi, Winnie. Yeah,
I will leak it one character at a time. Only the true fans will get the whole thing. Nice. I like where this is going. And you got to be invested in the stream to get my Anthropic API key. Engagement hack. All right, so in our routes authenticated, this can be an onboarding payment, or we can make a plus page.server.ts in here, and we can go ahead and just copy this one, I guess, instead. Paste that in, delete that one, boom. This should have code in it. Yeah, yep. And we can go in here and delete a bunch of this, delete this. Just make this a empty object for now. We don't need actions at the moment. We will need actions, but not at this moment. Oh, because I need to run dev, right? Got that, and then we want to say something like client. Can I get that from Stripe? Would that be smart enough to import? Probably not, right? I probably have to do like import client from at r10/billing/source/Stripe or /Stripe. Something like that. Cannot find module billing/source/Stripe. Is that what we want? Did we install? We might just have to run pni or bun add. Bun install? I'm using Arc browser, and R10 is a app for a financial advisor to coach other financial advisors. Billing. I would like to get rid of that source import if I could. Let's actually try that quick. I think we could do that. And then this would become like that. And we could do bun install again. What are the other letters that come after the initial R? R10. That's a good call out. You're the only person in the months that I've been working on this kraut to pick up that that's what that's for, but it's revolution.
This is for Baxter. Okay, wait. Can everyone see him, Dylan?
What?
Can everyone see him? Small dog duties.
Kind of.
Eat your breakfast.
So we should be able to come in here now and be like, this is going to be client. We can do this as stripe. Stripe dot products dot list. And what do we get in here? Some params. What can we put in here? Type. What would type? Is this type safe or is this good service? Okay. So we get that. And let's do it in weight. And this should be our products. And we can map over this. Dot then. And we'll get products. And we really want to map this. We're going to want to build a nicer API around this. But for now, we can keep it simple. We want to return, let's find this, wrap that. And in here, this will be name. Let's see here. And this will, that's not an S. It should be singular. Product dot data dot. Oh, that's annoying. All right, well, we'll just wait to do that then. And we'll get data here. And here we'll do const products equals data dot map. We get a product and we'll map it to do something like name product dot name description will be product dot description and what do we have? What is the name interval price? Name interval price description. Name interval will be product dot unit label. And we'll just do some monthly annual to do sod or store in DB. And then we need this, we have description, we need price. And this will be product dot default price. I assume what would be the name? I was trying to think of a word that would fit. I was literally counting how many letters was in revolution when you said it. Nice. I guess it's default price. Price default price. A string, a stripe price. I don't even know what a stripe price ends up looking like. I guess we'll find out. We'll just let it fail fast. And we'll do this. See if we can at least get it into the UI. I really want this to be a number though. So let's just go ahead and do number. And we're probably going to get a not a number as the number. Let's see here. We want to then go to our page.svelte and we get data, which now should have products on it. And let's go ahead and pass products as a prop. Products. And this will be data.products. Bun run dev. That should fix that error. Yeah. Now this needs a prop. And we need to give this props. So we'll say type props is going to equal products. And it's going to be that type that we did down here. Let's just yank around that. Whoa. Paste that in, get rid of that. Do something like that. Yep. Now we can get const products is going to equal $props. And now down here, rather than these render things, we should add an ID to this. And we can do that in our page server here. Just add the ID, product.id. Do that. In fact, we should, we'll do that when we store these in our database. So this will be props, that, good, products, great. Down here, we're going to iterate. We'll say, was it hashtag each products as product. And then the key will be product.id. Something like that. Am I remembering that syntax? I am. And we'll do change around this, and we'll do this, and we'll spread our product. And then we'll say selected plan equals product.interval, I guess. Yeah. And then we can get rid of these. Oh, is this the freaking... Yes. I've been listening to this song on repeat, Kraut. It's so good. Render payment option. What did I forget to close here? Something like that. All right. Do we think we first tried it, chat? We feeling confident? Look at that. Stripe API key was not found in the environment. Fail fast, baby. We're gonna blur for a second. Stripe secret key, not API key. That would do it. The heck? Search buffers. There we go. And we can get that out. And we're going to go to Stripe. And we'll just change this to Stripe secret key. Okay. Beautiful. And now we should be able to restart. I told you we were going to get is not a number. All right, so let's go back to the page.server. And I want to log. Have you guys ever seen the comma operator in JavaScript? Because we're about to do it. Product.default price. Product price. That's not what the comma operator is for. What do you mean, bad cop? This is the only use case for the comma operator. Deal with it. Of course I want to see freaking crowd. Expand. I think we can, what does this take? What are you? A string array? I think we can expand price here. Maybe. I'm gonna blur my screen. Okay, good. They didn't log anything sensitive. Property, you may want to expand data.price instead. Okay. So then theoretically we would have would data have undefined. I don't like that I can't freaking expand this. Let's go ahead and ask be 0. How can I, or I guess let's say this. Can I get a product's price using the stripe.product.list API? List active true, products that map. Do you really have to make a second API call? Can you use expand in the initial call to product list?
Functions describe the world.
Data.default.price. Okay, so let's try that. So let's come up here, delete that, delete this, and we'll expand data.default_price. There we go. All right, so we get that, and then it'll be recurring interval unit amount. So default price dot recurring. Oh, we can give it the pricing name. I kind of like that. So we could add different prices for the same product. That's smart. And then we'll do dot recurring dot what we say, unit price. And then we should see good logs here, but we don't. Why not? Product price recurring. Did I just spell that wrong? RECURRIN. Oh, it's on the top level. Unit amount. We should see that now. No? Amount, not price. All right, there's that. That looks good. And now we should see in the UI that come through. Come on. Right, we have to do this. We're gonna have to fix up our types here. TS expect error. There we go. It looks like we don't have Why is that not selecting one by default? Monthly or annual? Values interval. Selected plan is that. Oh, because we never. No, we do. I should be able to do, what is it, at debug. At. Can I console log here? Actually, I will just do it up here and we'll just log inspect products. Now we should have logs here. Annual, oh. Uh-huh. So we screwed that up. Gonna open that over here. And we're gonna go to product catalog.
Speaks the gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes. The sand is in my veins. Come ride a camel with me today.
Come right, oh camel, with me today. What up, AFAX? Long time no see. Thank you for the 15 months in a row. I appreciate you so much. Got time off, let's go. Thank you. This thing is so cozy. $20 at Walmart. Best $20 I've ever spent in my life. We can do this. All right, hodl chat. We are going to how do I want to do this? We're gonna delete this one. And then if we refresh over here, we should only get one. Yep. Look at that go. We're driving it via Stripe. You are looking live. Can I add flexible payments, more options? We can get rid of the unit label. Get rid of that. Get rid of the interval. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that. Great. And then we'll add another price. And I can bring this over for a second. And we'll go ahead and say flat rate. And the amount will be 10,000. No. Billing period will be yearly. And we'll say this is going to be annual. And we'll say annual. Next. I want to edit this one. And then I'm going to do monthly here on the lookup key. Monthly. Next. Date product. 2 prices. Great. All right, we should probably start to mirror our product catalog in our own database. Oh, god damn it. I have to go pick up dog shit real quick because our yard is getting treated. I will be right back in like 3 minutes. Okay. Bump this over. Sorry, chat. Also, the vibes are immaculate right now. I love the jazz. Okay. BRB picking up dog shit. And we're back. Dog shit has been successfully picked up. All right, how do we want to drive this, right? So we have a product. We could store the product ID in an environment variable. We could store it in our database. If we store it in the database, it's one more thing to keep in sync. Probably overcomplicated to start. What up, Fox? Everything is going well. So let's see what the product ID is here. Grab that. And then when we fetch a product on the server side, we can do something like rather than list, we can do something like const data. Let's just go ahead and do this. So we stripe dot products dot can I retrieve ID? Yeah, we'll do this. And this will be, we'll do the same thing where we say const, what do we call it? Group coaching product ID equals that. Paste that in, yanks around a word. In fact, we can just hard code it right now. I should add it to environment variables. Export that, and this will be group coaching product ID. Save that, quit out of there. Go ahead and do a dir env allow. And then let's add it to Doppler. Oh boy. Yeah, we'll watch that here in just a second. Let me get this added to Doppler. Stripe, no, not Stripe. In fact, it probably should be Stripe product ID. Stripe group coaching product ID. And that will be, where do we put that? That's on the server. What'd you say? We're gonna paste that in there, save that. Save to all environments. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is go back and update my envarc. Go to, one second chat, I'm almost ready to unblur. Alright, quit. Enter and allow it. Vim back in, close Doppler, bring up chat again. What up, Colin? How we doing? Dude, Don Broco's so good. I saw Don Broco live a couple years ago. Alright, we're good here. Let's watch the video. Pause. Grab the link from Ethan. Oh god. You're such a dick. I fucking hate you. That's my reaction. It'd be great if there was just something. We paused Don Broco for that. Well, I'm glad I could make you feel better. Freaking nerd. 10 out of 10 video, no notes. Have honest, it's just my Spotify DJ and Kraut mixed together. You can request music by redeeming the request song and putting in a Spotify link. Payment, page server. So we'll say this is going to be process.m. We'll prefix this with stripe. Yank. Whoa. Paste that there, and then we'll do if stripe is going to equal undefined. We'll throw a new error. That was not found in the environment. Great. And then in here, we can do stripe group coaching product ID. And then we get some options, I think. Project retrieve params. Expand, and we're going to want to expand default price. And let's see what that gives us. Just log data. And we need to run the server. It's cool that it's only 1 point. So many channels is like 10K or 20K. Did you ever go over your Spotify on stream? No, I didn't. I can't do that because it's only mobile only. It's mobile only. Let's see here. Let's see here. Can I still get it up? That's what she said. Wrapped. Hold on. Hold on, chat. I have ideas. I'm having ideas. I don't know if they're good ideas. Can I mirror my iPhone onto my laptop? How do I do that? Should I just have to pull down? And it should be in here. I don't see the option. Hey Siri, mirror my iPhone to my Mac. Oh my God. That's what I get for listening to Kraut. I thought it was in the drawer where you pull it down. I just don't see the freaking option. I have an idea. iPhone mirroring app on Mac.
Describe the world.
Yeah, the rectangle icon's not there. That's what I was looking for. Mirror. Do I have to install it from the App Store? Mirror. I don't think I have it. I mean, let me check. I don't see screen sharing. Is that what it's called? Network. About this Mac. I'm on Sonoma. Do I need to upgrade? Is Sequoia the new one? Oh, okay. I have an idea. I can record this on my phone and then it'll go to my videos. We got this. It's going to be hacky though. Can I not go through the wrapped experience again? Oh, here it goes. Oh no. Oh god, I'm gonna have to restart. I'm also going to have to go into another room to record this because it's gonna play out loud and I will get struck. So I will be right back. And it's also probably gonna pause the music in here. Just 1 second, chat. Or actually, I don't have to go in another room. I'll just mute my mic. Okay. It just finished. I have to sync it with iCloud. Hopefully it just syncs. How can I tell if it's synced already? Or can I force a sync? Dude, I'm such a boomer with an iPhone. It's unbelievable. Real talk. All right, let me see if I can force a sync. I'm such a boomer. Oh my god. I'm not even close to being a boomer.
Functions describe the world.
Thank you for the follow, Command S. All right, let me open my picture album over here. Don't want to dox anybody. Where the frack? That's not it. Wait, did it not sync? It's really grinding my gears, chat. Bro, just do a sync. There we go. Okay, chat, we've got it. All right, we will pause Spotify, and here is my our Spotify Wrapped. No. Let me also note, chat, that the Spotify Wrapped is only data from September 9th because I didn't have Spotify up until September 9th of this year. So all the data you're seeing is from September 9th until the day Spotify Wrapped came out. So it's not even the whole year because we were using Apple Music most of the year until we switched over. So it's kind of bonkers stats for that short of a period. It's probably just the sun that's coming in perfectly right here.
Does this look okay?
Yeah, looks good. Bodhi, thank you. Are you excited about Spotify Wrap? We're going over Spotify Wrap right now.
Oh, and how it's trash this year?
Trash?
Yeah, everyone's been saying how terrible it is this
No,
year.
mine's freaking good.
No, like the Spotify part, not Wrapped
I think it's
itself.
fine. I don't know.
Everyone's like, no, I want to know like what random town my music genre best fits in or things like that. Because it was mostly AI that did the Wrapped this year because they laid off most of the Spotify Wrapped team last year.
Yeah, whatever. It's still useful.
T.
Yeah, you look good.
Minus the dog hair that's all over me. Does the hair look okay in the back?
Yep.
It's cute?
Yep.
I'm trying new things.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. I have a lot of hair, and I feel like it just looks bad when it's like, meh, you know?
Looks fine.
But it looks fine right now?
Yep.
Okay. Well then, I'm going to work. I love you.
Okay, love you, bye. Alright, back to Wrapped. Can we get all the prices? Nerdy video game remix lo-fi. Crab Rave number 2. Funny football rap season. I listen to Hans Zimmer a lot when I need to focus during the day. I listen to Interstellar. I listen to Dunkirk a lot. Dude, that's crazy. From September 9th, 2,500 artists. Kendrick Lamar was my top artist. Let's go, K-Dot.
Stealing your car.
Bye.
Now
Kendrick, Mac Miller, Russ, MGK, Eminem. Checks out. Top songs. End of the Beginning, Crab Rave. 3 Nights, Not Like Us, Lithonia. Lol. Alright, back to Spotify. Alright, we need to go look at the Stripe docs at how to expand we should see this in products probably. If we go look at product core resources. Products aren't a core resource? Okay, sure. Products. The product object. Expandable metadata. Oh, shoot. That sucks. Can we not expand? So we're gonna have to query the prices too. How do I retrieve a price? Can I query by product ID? Active currency product. Okay. Sure. This is annoying, but we can work with this. MetaMe. Oh my god. I haven't seen this guy around. Search prices. Retrieve price will work. We can do it by I guess we can't. That's the price. I mean, we could get the prices, but yeah, we'll do parameters. We can use list all prices. Yeah, we'll do that. Back from the dead, dude. I know, right? Are you back on the East Coast or in the EST time zone? Or are you still like out in California? So we can do group, coaching, product, promise, and then we can get rid of that, and we can do something similar here where we do const group coaching prices stripe dot prices dot list, and in here we can give it an object, and it'll be product, and this will be stripe group, doing that, I believe. Takes a and then we'll iterate over prices. So it'll be prices promise, and we'll do a const product and prices will equal promise dot all group coaching product promise and group coaching product group coaching prices promise. Yeah, and we'll get those, and we want to await that, and then we'll say const products equals prices dot data dot map, and we'll get a price. We'll go over that, and we're going to return an ID, which will be product dot ID. We'll get name, which will be product dot name. We'll get price, or what's next? Interval. Should really name that like recurrence. Or interval, price interval. What would you call that? Accepted an offer this week, but haven't posted to the socials yet, starting next week. Let's go, Meta. Congratulations, man. I know that was brutal. Yeah, you just said it's brutal. What are you gonna be working in? And on, if you can say.
Functions describe
We
the
really
world.
want the price. Does the price have a description on it? Tiers created, metadata, tiers, unit amount, billing scheme, currency options, transform. We can put let's put a description on the price, and we can do like metadata, and then we'll just do like description, right? Do that, and we'll say this is going to be a string, or that, and then we'll have price, which will be price dot is it amount, unit amount divided by 100, possibly null. Sure. 0. And we'll come over here, and then the last thing we need is interval. I think I want a better name for interval. I shall be a full-time Rusty, bro. Let's go. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Java pays the bills. Shanky, this is a freelance project, so it's kind of my job. I swear these dogs are so annoying. Pricing interval, pricing recurrence. What do they call it over here? Product currency recurring. They have an object. Meter. Okay, I'm gonna go yell at this dog. Baxter? Knock it off. You're fine. Leave it. Leave it. It can be there. Whatever. We'll call this, call it payment recurrence, payment interval, subscription interval, billing interval, billing frequency. I like that. That's a good one. And this will be price dot recurring dot interval. Or I don't know, we'll just make this monthly. All right, let's go add descriptions to our prices.
Functions describe the world.
We want to add thank you for the follow, KNG. I've got to head out. Good to come home for a minute. Hope to see you around more, Meta. Miss you, buddy. We can probably, yeah, grab this quick. And if we go down, nope, not quite that far. Down here, we'll grab the, yeah, these are what we want. So let's go to our annual edit price. We want to go down and cookies make it. That's wrong. Is annual, how do you spell annual? 2 N's? Okay. Advanced. Can I not add attributes to this? Lookup key. Attributes. Details. Update a product. No, I want to... metadata. Edit metadata. We'll say description. And we'll just put boom. That's not what that should be, but this will be flexible payments. Flexible payments. Save. And then we'll go back. We'll click this price and we'll yoink this. And we'll go here. We'll say description. And this will be saved $2,000 annually. Great. And now we can come back over here. Jump back to the top of our undo tree. And this is going to be broken for a second, which is fine because this will be billing frequency now. Billing frequency. And now we go to the server. And that'll be price.metadata.description or an empty string. Intervals billing. Yep. That looks good. That looks good. And we'll return products. Do that. And finally, we want to go back to the UI here. And we need to fix some type errors, because this type is now different. We can do this will be props and selected as a Boolean. And this becomes billing frequency. Right. Products. Does not exist. It literally does. Like, it literally does. Oh, I know what we need. We need that. Or we can just do number. Yeah, there we go. Freaking TypeScript, dude. Let's go ahead and this will be changed around to that, and we'll do, this will be billing frequency. I recently got into Shadcn. I see it everywhere. It's like Bootstrap. Yeah. I mean, if you're really good at CSS and TLN stuff, you can get it to look pretty freaking custom. But I think it's like, I mean, for somebody like me who's just building stuff like this, like, it's just so much nicer. Billing frequency. Annual. Yeah, it's that time of day where the freaking, I need to get curtains in here so this doesn't happen. And maybe it'll be better because I'm gonna set up my monitor today. So we're probably gonna do a bit of a dev env and workflow change up stream tomorrow in the morning. I have a couple things I want to update with my NeoVim config. We're going to try a new window manager since we're going down to one monitor, and I think I might change around my stream overlay. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. I can't really do anything about this right now. I mean, I can try, but I don't. It's like at that perfect spot that's just like wildly inconvenient. Like, It's like up top. Yeah, there's just like no good way for me to block that right now. I guess I actually have an idea, chat. This isn't gonna be dangerous at all. This is not working as well as I expected it to. Maybe. Oh god, my chair's rotating. I did it. Success. How's that for a chair stream? I don't know if you guys watched that happen, but actually worked pretty well. All right, we got 30 minutes. Let's continue knocking this out. So the billing frequency. And let's see if we first tried it. Nope. Oh, right. We need to give this the pricing ID rather than the product ID. I guess we can just use billing frequency for now. Yeah. We'll select annual. Oh, it's year, not annual. We can map that on the server though. That's not the right logic. It's more like something like that. That's like sloppy, but technically what we want. There we go. And then the that should be giving me better types. Yeah. Day, month, week, annual. Oh, because it's a wider type. Right. Right. Our logic was fine the first time, actually. that should fix that problem. Yep, there we go. That's good. That's a good idea. You should publish that, Ibra. I bet people would use it. Okay, that looks pretty good. This one needs the icon. Or where's the pill at? Badge. This will be month, monthly, otherwise billing frequency.
It's the gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes. The sand is in my veins. Come ride a camel with me.
You know what?
Today.
Maybe we do just use year instead of annual. Now that I think about this. Annually. Yeah, let's just year. And we'll go fix that. Yeah, that's fine. In fact, this is gonna be funny. We're just gonna go in here and we're gonna do this. Boom, billing frequency, and add a Y. And then we go, this will be year. And then finally, we gotta go update our page.server, and we can just do we still want to get a Zod parser eventually for this, but Yuri? Monthy? I forgot the Y. So cool to see this all come together. Yeah. Yeah, this is like really like everything we've built is like I've liked doing this because it's been a journey from like 0.0 to building a real production application, right? Like we have multiple environments running. We still have some work to do there, but like we have a clear roadmap. Like we've got payments working on integrated, like we have emails and signups. We still need to do some password reset stuff, but like it's kind of all there. And the best part is I'm going to make some money off this. Yeah, at some point we'll do more Gleam. I am positive there will be more Gleam in the future. All right. We need to get the, we need a payment link now. So let's go ahead and go back over to our product catalog, and we want to make payment links. Create a test payment link. We'll grab product, and we want you. All right, that looks good. So let's grab the payment link and we'll put that as a property on, which one were we just looking at? Monthly. Yeah, we'll have to fetch. How did you get a freelance customer? The person I'm building this for is someone I have a lot of trust in and who has a lot of trust in me. And they gave me the freedom to stream all this work without, there's not really any particularly hard deadlines. I'm trying to ship this MVP by end of year. The way I am being paid is a revenue share on the tail end once it ships. So it's kind of a unique freelance gig, but it's perfect for what I like to do. Like I get complete freedom in tech. I get to stream, and there's not a lot of pressure on deadlines, and I end up making money as long as I ship a good product. I wouldn't do this arrangement with someone I didn't deeply trust, and you still need to have contracts in place regardless. So all right, what does the payment link object have on it? Can we fetch this in parallel and then join it? P-link, currency, custom fields. That's wildly annoying that we can get the price. There's got to be a better, oh man, we're going to end up having to store this in the database. I already know it. I feel it in my bones. We can put it on the metadata for now to be quick and scrappy. No, you can just go get them. Save. And then we go get you, and we grab the ID right there. Go back. Throw that there. Yep. All right, now we need to go make another payment link. For group coaching you. After payment. Oh yeah, we do need we'll have to set up a redirect page or polling also. Okay, that will actually be fun to make. We can come update that later though. Yep, create the link. And let's go here. This is gonna be the price. Grab the price ID, go back. Let's actually 10,000, yep, metadata, edit metadata, price ID. That will have that. Save. Great. Oh, nice. That links it. That's so convenient. That's good UX. That's insanely good UX. All right. So now we should have on the metadata, we should have payment link. In fact, we can go both ways. We can put the payment link on the product as metadata. $10,000 a year. Metadata description, add another item. This will be payment link ID. That's so nice. Let's edit this, and this will be yearly. And we want to go back to payment links, and we want to grab the 1010, grab that, go to the price, edit metadata. This will have a payment link ID or payment link. It's not even an ID, it's just payment link. You should fix that on the other one. There we go. And now we should see, should be able to do price dot metadata dot payment link, like that. Do you have any tips or strategies for dealing with procrastination? I'm going through a tough phase right now. I have diagnosed ADHD, so I have a tendency to procrastinate a lot on things that don't excite me or that I want to do. And I end up waiting till the last minute, but I operate insanely well under last minute pressure, even if it's like stressful. Like I handle it well and I deliver well. Like I need that sense of urgency to get it done. Otherwise I just won't do it. I mean, I can obviously like, if it's something important that I don't want to do, I can buckle down and do it. And like, I know I have to do it and I'll do it. But like, to-do lists, I only know what works for me. I know how I operate. Yeah, Meta was in stream earlier. He landed a gig and he's starting next week or 2 weeks from now. And I think he's back in the Eastern time zone, so maybe we start seeing him more often. All right. So then theoretically we have our blink here, and this button needs to turn into yeah, look at that, we got it. That'll be here. And then we have a billing or payment link, right? Payment link, which will be a string. And we'll go down to button. We can get rid of products. We don't need that debugger there. Where's the button? Variant type. Can we make it as href? And this will be product.payment link. Oh, we need to set the selected product. Yeah. We'll just do this the easy way. He got a Rust gig, Nightshade. Are you going to React Miami? I hope so. I submitted to speak at React Miami. And I think I have a really strong submission. They didn't ask me to speak back, Hop. I submitted. Products. In fact, we should say this will be selected product, and we'll do that, and then we'll change this to here. Yeah, that's good. Dot price ID equals product dot price ID. Yeah. Selected product dot payment link. Find value, selected product. What other props do you take? Okay, fine. We will do this, and that will be derived. This will be selected product price ID. And then we'll do a let selected product equals derived. And this is an expression, yeah? Yeah. Products dot find product dot price ID is equal to selected price ID. And then down here, we can delete to space. And this will be U. Selected plan. Radio group item. Selected. I don't even think I need this, do I? Radio group item, and this should really be, this should be, this should be oh my god, that's so annoying that I can't make that bindable. Okay, that's okay. We can come back down here, delete to V. Sure. And we can just do the same thing, right? Because it worked before. Radio group. Yeah, in fact, that bind should do it. Let's add an inspect on these pieces of state. I'm gonna have to wrap up here in a minute. And we'll inspect selected price ID and then selected product, and we'll see how that works. And let's jump over to the app. Great, getting errors. Up, up. We got undefined. That's interesting. Oh, because I didn't put the price ID on the object yet. LOL. There we go. All right, so that obviously is not doing what I thought it would do. So that bind did absolutely nothing. Right? and we'll come down here and we'll say, because we can't bind on this, which is annoying, we'll say on click. We'll just say this is a function, the body, since we need to do an assignment, and we'll say selected price ID is equal to price ID. Say on click. Oh, I forgot the equal. There we go. Boom. Beautiful. All right, so then we need a redirect. Or really, we don't need a redirect. We need to think about what did we end up doing with the API route? It's 10 o'clock. I want to keep going on this, but we'll get the redirect and everything wired up tomorrow. We don't have a lot more to do on this. Payments are pretty much done. Tomorrow morning we'll start doing new DevM setup because I'll be using a new monitor. I want to update some NeoVim stuff, and then we will we'll wrap up. We'll try to wrap up the pricing flow, and to get there, we need to do a couple database migrations to store some of our. We should probably have like a product catalog, or we should have some Stripe data in sync locally. And then we need to set up polling on, I wonder if this opened in a target new. It didn't. So we can redirect back to a new page, or we can redirect back to, yeah, we can. We'll redirect back to the review page. Yeah, and before I wrap up here, I want to look at the API route we made for the webhook. We can grab, we want to import, let's see here, client as Stripe from at R10/billing Stripe. Yeah, update onboarding status. Yeah, this is basically where we'll want to start tomorrow. Cool. All right. Yeah, this is going to come together pretty nicely here. Let's go ahead and find someone to raid. Janet. Let's see if there's anyone else in the category doing anything interesting. Go to C#. I wonder if anyone's doing Next.js stuff. Let's raid this person.
One viewer writing Rust for Advent of Code, Future Highway. Let's go. Raid message? I don't even know. I don't know, but I gotta bounce. Sorry, I gotta raid and run chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We got some cool stuff to work on tomorrow.